The plan was to glue this Apple keyboard to the bottom of the skateboard, but it was too long, so it wouldn't fit between the trucks.
Will this actually work? This is the big saw.
This was surprisingly easy. And that is how you split an Apple table.
I'll have to write the alphabet. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Damn, I don't know the alphabet. So this is our new alphabet. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, K, J, K, L, M, N, S, V, V?
V, X,
X,
Z,
Z, A,
Ö.
Okay. Now it fits perfect. Then I'm gonna glue it with this multi-tech, multi-use glue.
First, I just remove some wax and paint.
Now it works. Or does it? Shit. You think this is good enough? Okay. This will hold forever.
Then I just cover everything with concrete to pressure it down.
Big reveal, Elias.
Next day.
It is the next day.
Cool.
Hey! This is super tight, Elias. Do you think I can do a nollie from this?
Yeah, this is really heavy. This.
Okay.
Flat tricks first.
Do the numpad slide first. First slide. No slide flip.
It smells burnt here.
Numpad slides. Makes good nose slides.
The board actually slides quite good on the number pad, because I guess it's because it's plastic and aluminium. And also you get a quite heavy pop, which is quite a nice feeling for the no slide flip, because you can feel the board being heavy and being a counterweight before you flip. And the number pad, it doesn't affect my slide at all, it just slides a bit more. On the crooked grind, however, the number pad aluminum cut right into the edge of the ledge, and the no slide to Sasuke was even easier because you don't need to lift it as much to get it to the Sasuke grind.
It slides better like this somehow. Does it even touch? I think it touches. Yeah, it touches a bit. Apple keyboard makes everything better. The time everybody's been waiting for. Board slides. Kinda nice to wax the Apple keyboard. Get it all smooth. It slides nice. Front side. I said the glue holds up pretty well. It's still solid.
And on the board slides, I could feel the metal cutting into the rail a bit, but it still slides.
Look at the screen. It says la 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 la. But can I stop it? Ah, I can still write on it. A, B. Oh, now it works. D, A, E doesn't work. G, H. Take the first try.
I haven't been skating gaps or stairs in a while, but doing this with the keyboard on the underside was a bit scarier because the pop feels heavy, so you don't know where the board will end up.
Starting to get a little bit loose.
This glue holds the keyboard very well to the board, but the problem is the keyboard is falling apart by itself.
I think this affects the pop somehow. I don't know why. Got a new surface, all plastic and the lithium battery. Battery slide. Oh, battery slide.
It's untouched.
It's a good sliding surface. Mac keyboard. Pretty good. Was better to slide on the plastic than on the metal. How does the iDrop feel to the iSlide? Yeah. iMac, iKeyboard, iBoard. This surface, how did this feel, Elias? It was quite good.
Yeah, but I felt it was a little slow.
Was it slow?
Yeah.
I didn't feel anything. And the battery, aim for the battery, get the good slides. Here you want your front board right on the battery.
Should we take a hammer and break the battery
also
now?
this for the nose slides, it was pretty good. And this held together much better than this. That's pretty safe.